welcome back to EnglishVerse. I'm Ms. Grace.
And I'm Mr. Clarity. It's great to see you all again.
Today's topic is daily English in life. That sounds interesting, right?
It really is. We're going to talk about English you can use every day. When you wake up, when you go out, when you talk to friends, and much more.
So, this lesson is all about real life English?
Exactly. Simple words, natural sentences, and everyday situations.
Perfect. Let's get started. Let's start with mornings. What are some common things people say after waking up?
You can say, I just woke up, or I'm still sleepy, or I need some coffee. These are short and natural sentences.
That's simple. How can we describe our morning routine in English?
You can say, I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. Or, I make breakfast and check my phone.
What if someone wants to sound more fluent?
You can connect ideas with small words like then or after that. For example, I brush my teeth, then I take a shower. Or, after that, I make breakfast.
That sounds smooth.
Yes, simple connectors make your English sound natural and connected.
What are some morning greetings we can use?
You can say, good morning, or how did you sleep, or did you have breakfast yet?
All right. What's a polite way to answer?
You can say, I slept well, thank you, or not yet, I'm about to eat.
Very natural. I like how easy these are to use.
That's the goal. Real English for real life.
Now let's move to breakfast. How do we talk about it in daily English?
You can say, I had toast and coffee, or I made an omelet, or I skipped breakfast today.
Oh, skipped breakfast. That means you didn't eat, right?
Exactly. Skip breakfast means you didn't have it.
How about asking someone about breakfast politely?
You can ask, what did you have for breakfast? Or, did you eat anything this morning?
That's easy to remember. What about describing how it tasted?
You can say, it was delicious, or it was simple but nice, or it was too sweet.
Great. So food words are important in daily English too.
Yes, and they appear in small talk all the time.
Let's talk about leaving home. How can we describe that part of the day?
You can say, I'm getting ready for work, or I'm heading out now, or I'm on my way.
Those sound natural. What does heading out mean?
It means you're leaving home. It's a casual and friendly way to say it.
Can you give a few examples?
Sure, I'm heading out, see you later. Or I'm on my way to the office.
And what if someone is late?
You can say, I'm running late, or sorry, I'm stuck in traffic.
That's something we all say.
Yes, these phrases are common in real daily life.
What about short phone messages in English?
You can text, I'll be there soon, or just leaving now, or be right back.
That's modern and useful English. Let's move to work or school. How can we describe what we do every day?
You can say, I start work at 9, or I have a meeting this morning, or I'm busy with a project.
And what if we want to talk about our feelings at work?
You can say, I'm tired but okay, or it's a busy day, or I'm feeling productive.
Nice. What about greetings in the workplace?
You can say, good morning, how are you? Or how's your day going? Or nice to see you.
And small talk with coworkers?
You can ask, "How was your weekend?" Or, "Did you watch the game last night?" These help build friendly conversation.
That's helpful for students and professionals both.
Exactly. Small talk is part of daily English too.
Now it's lunchtime. How can we talk about it in English?
You can say, "I'm going for lunch," or "Let's grab a bite," or "I'm having lunch with my friend."
Grab a bite. That's an interesting phrase.
Yes, it means to eat something quickly or casually.
What about asking someone to join you?
You can say, "Do you want to join me for lunch?" or "Let's eat together."
And after lunch?
You can say, "Back to work," or "I need a coffee," or "That was a good break."
That's everyday English.
Yes, these small sentences make daily conversations smooth.
Let's talk about coming home after a long day. What are some common sentences?
You can say, "I just got home," or "I'm so tired," or "Finally home."
That's how I feel every evening.
We all do. You can also say, "I changed my clothes and relaxed," or "I made dinner."
What if someone watches TV or uses their phone?
You can say, "I watched a show," or "I scrolled through social media," or "I called my friend."
Nice and realistic.
Yes. These are things everyone does, so learners should know how to describe them.
How can we talk about dinner time?
You can say, "We had dinner together," or "I cooked something simple," or "We ordered food."
That's easy and natural English. How can learners talk about what they do before bed?
You can say, "I brushed my teeth and got ready for bed," or "I read a book before sleeping," or "I checked my phone one last time."
That sounds very real. What about feelings?
You can say, "I felt relaxed," or "I was sleepy," or "It was a long day."
And how to end the day politely?
You can say "good night," or "sleep well," or "see you tomorrow."
Very nice.
These are the small, everyday English phrases that make your speech natural.
Could you give an example of describing your whole day in a few sentences?
Sure, I woke up early, had breakfast, and went to work. I finished some tasks and had lunch with my coworkers. In the evening, I came home, watched a movie, and went to bed. It was a simple day.
That sounds so natural and complete.
Yes, learners can follow that pattern and change the details each time.
So they can practice speaking by talking about their own day.
Exactly. That's one of the best ways to improve your English.
Let's share a few tips for using daily English.
Sure. Tip 1. Speak every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes.
That's a good one.
Tip 2. Think in English. Describe what you're doing. For example, say in your mind, "I'm brushing my teeth," or "I'm making tea."
That's a clever way to build fluency.
Tip 3. Listen to real conversations. Notice small daily phrases like "no worries," or "sounds good," or "I'm not sure."
Simple words make a big difference.
Exactly. Keep your English real and easy.
So today, we learned a lot of daily English expressions from morning to night.
Yes, and we practiced how to talk about real life in a natural way.
Remember, it's not about using big words. It's about using the right words every day.
Well said. Just speak simple English with confidence.
Thank you for joining us on EnglishVerse.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what does your day look like in English?
That's your homework for today.
See you next time.
Take care, everyone.